See, all those big endings I did on all those other songs that didn't need a big ending. This one could have done a big ending. I didn't do it. What the hell am I thinking? Don't stop believing. This one just worked out so nice for the Merlin. I was actually this all happened today. I learned this today. It's amazing how some songs just unfold so easily on the Merlin, and others that I just have to work at and work at. I was surfing on YouTube, and I think they're called Axis of Awesome. So there's three comedians. It's like a band, and they do one that video has got millions of hits. Where they do all these songs that be played with 4 chords, and they start with "Don't Stop Believing." I saw that, I'm like, holy shit! I should try that song. Why don't I try that song? And I started little by little, and I picked away at it. And like I said, this was all from today. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. We got the intro, we got your verses, we got the chorus, and then we've got the outro. Anything else? And then that little break part. That's the only thing we do. We don't worry about any of the other solos like we usually don't. Chords, we got D, A, B minor, G, F sharp. So that whole video is chords that songs played with 4 chords. Technically, this has 5. So D, open, open, open. A, 1, open, 1. B minor, 2, 1, open. G, we're going high and low. So we're doing 3, 1, open, and open, 1, 3. And F sharp, 2, 2, 2. And then we do a high A, 4, 4, 4. On a turnaround. Oh yeah, so the intro. Okay, so you're using all your chords there except your F sharp. The run itself with no picking. So let's do that slow. So it's low, 1, 2, open, middle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, low, 2, 3, open, low. That's the first time through. I actually do that like 3 times, and then on the last time I switch it to open, 1, 2, open, middle, 1, 2, 2, low, 2, 3, and that just kind of follows the verse for your chords. That's where the F goes, but we don't actually do the F there. So the timing to get that run and the strum and everything is not so easy, but can be done, right? So it starts with an open D. So we don't have to worry about hitting those single notes when we go into the chord. So it's open D, 1, 2, A, So basically you're hitting 2 notes in between. I'm doing it as a full strum though. So it's D, A, B minor, low G, back to your D. It's one of those things, it's a little tricky to get it, but I can't imagine anyone not having this song stuck in their head at least 100 times by the time they're 20. The song is everywhere, right? So just listen to it and you'll get the timing to it. So you do that, like I said, I do that 3 times, and then on the last time starts the same. So instead of going to that part, we just go from that B minor to the G. So again. And then you start the song. So the song itself, verses. You do 3 verses. We're going to break up the second and third verse with that little part, and then you go chorus, and then 2 more verses, and then chorus, and then outro. So we're going to do 3 verses here. So it's D, just a small. So for just strummers, D, A, B minor, G, D, A, F sharp, G, and that's your verses. So you do that 3 times. So if you just want to sing it and strum along, that's what you can do. You can also just do the intro. It doesn't matter. You can just do the intro over that because that's what the piano does throughout the whole song, right? So, but if you like me, when I do attempt to sing, even though you guys will never ever hear that, it's I sometimes run in trouble if I'm trying to do more than just a straight strum. If I'm trying to add picking into that, depends how well I know the song, right? So if you just want to do straight chords, that's what it is. Now, if you want to put some melody in there. So like I said, D, A, B minor, G, D, A, F sharp, G. I go low G on that. So that part, the F sharp to the G, is what makes it. Like that's so good on a Merlin. It's so good. I love how stuff works out sometimes, right? Okay, so. Alright, so pretty much the A and the B minor is simple. You're just doing A, and you're doing the add-on to the second fret, B minor, Same thing, you're going to do an add-on on the 2nd fret, that's it. To start it, so I do a slide up into the A, B minor. Now the G you're going to have to stretch. So you're doing a high G, but you're going to go 1-4, 0-1-4 to start. So that's that. Lonely World goes up high there, right? So you're doing your G, but with the 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then you end up with like a modified G, open 1, open. 2nd time through. So let's do that 1st time, and we'll go into the 2nd time. Second time through. So I do a double slide there. So it's double slide to the 2nd fret, 1 pull off to the open. No, just 1 open, no pull off. Into the A. Same thing, just a simple add-on there. And then from there we go to the F sharp, which we're usually going to do 2-2-2, but we're going to start it 2-2-1, go up to 2-2-2, and into the G, low G, 3-1 open. So we put that all together. Like I said, I just learned this today, so forgive my mistakes, right? If I learned it a year ago, I'd still be making the same mistakes, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so do that twice, and then in between the 2nd and 3rd, we're going to end with that. Give it like a hard strum, and then kind of build up the volume of it. So what you're going to do is pretty much straight strums. But while you're doing that, you're doing a double pull off. So 4, 2, open. See, the problem with stuff like this, you're trying to build volume, which is hard to do. It's hard to moderate on an acoustic instrument where you're doing like a pull off like this. You can almost start something like that. However you decide to do it. But the trick is to build volume without increasing in speed. Right? That's the trick to it, right? I wonder too, because I think the chords are still going. You're still doing D, A, B minor, G. So it's let's not even worry about it. Let's just keep that in D the whole time. So in the song they do it quite a bit longer. I don't do it long. I do it like 4 bars, 8 bars maybe. So it's and then I just go right back into another verse. So and then we got the chorus. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. So this is going to be GD, 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 GA. That's the chorus. So if you just want to do strumming, that's all you got to do. Melody here is not too much. It's pretty consistent. So you end with again the F sharp to G, and then you go into the chorus. So we're in the low G. We're gonna go right up into a high G from here. So it's a. So that's the first two lines. So you high G. That's it. You're just doing that. You're just going from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret. Open D, 2nd fret, 4th, 3, 2. Second time through, G's the same, and you just do a D add 2 to finish it, no other melody there. And then you do the first line again. And then the 4th line, you end it with an A. And so you put that all together. So the G is the same every time. Just 3, 2, 3, 2. And then the A, we alternate from going up to the 4th to stand on 2nd, going up the 4th, and then the last time you go into the A. So start it from the end of the verse, because I love that F sharp G combo. It's so cool. It's like, it's just perfect. Okay, so chorus. Okay, from there you go into the next verse. So the verse is the same every time, so you do that 2 verses there, and then you do the chorus again. After you do the chorus the first time, coming back before you do the verse, do the intro again. So the... I think you just do that first line, you don't do the finish. And then you go into verse 2 and 3, or whatever the verse it is, you do 2 verses there. Then you do the chorus again. Now the outro. The outro is where they actually start doing the Don't Stop Believing. So chords wise, it's the same chords as your verses. The second line is the same second line as your verses. That doesn't change. Only thing that changes is your D and the A on your first line. The B minor and the G stay the same. It's just the D and the A. So really we were doing... So instead of doing that, now we're going to do... And then everything else the same. And now, actually, sorry, the second line changes too. The D and the A do the same thing. But the ending is the same. So you change the D and the A melody on both lines, but the B minor, G, F sharp, G stay the same. So when all together it sounds like... And you do that 3 times and that's it. So the melody change, like I said, 3, 2, open on a D. Thumb on, I use the thumb on the low 1st fret. Do the same melody, 3, 2, open. So D. And then your B minor, same. G's the same. That's it. So we're not going crazy with the solos. I always get the bar in my way. 22 minutes. Oh, crap. Video's gonna cut off anytime now. So don't stop believing. Bye, Journey. Practice patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time.